If you notice your Leshiy is blowing air, basically when you're firing, if you notice air blowing out around this join where the back cocks and joins up with the front, it could be a sign that your breech O-ring, the one that seals around the barrel, i.e. that one there, is basically failing, or maybe damaged, or it could even have a bit of dirt stuck in it. So you want to replace that. To do that, you need a little something with a bit of a hooky bit on it to get in under it and sort of lever it out. There we go. And clean the groove, make sure there's no dirt or debris in there, and then you can put a drop of O-ring lube of some description in there, and then fit a new O-ring in just by pushing it into the hole, and you should be good to go, leak free.